What is a module in Python? In Python, a module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The file can be imported and used in other Python scripts, allowing for code reuse and modularity. Modules in Python can contain functions, classes, variables, and other objects. When a module is imported, the object defined in module become available to the importing script. This allows for easier organization of code and separation of concerns. Module in Python can be created by simply creating a .py file with Python code and saving it in a directory. Once a module file has been created, it can be imported and used in another Python script. For example, suppose we have a module named mathutils.py containing a function add. So we will move to VS Code. So we have a folder demo. Inside demo, we have a script mathutils.py, and inside mathutils.py we have defined an add function which takes two arguments and return their addition. Inside the same folder we have written main.py. Inside main.py script we are importing module math underscore utils. We are using math underscore utils modules add function, passing it to argument which will execute the add function and return the result, which is addition of 1 and 2, which is 3, which will be stored in result variable. Print the result on the user screen, which should output 3. Now we will run this main.py script which is using mathutils.py module. So we will move inside the demo folder, give the command python main.py script name, and the script used the add function, store the result in result variable and printed it on the user screen. Therefore the output was 3. So overall, modules are the functional concept in Python programming that allows for code reuse and modularity, making it easier to organize and maintain large projects. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.